Hi, welcome to SnapDM. In this video, I am going to show you how you can connect your Instagram to the SnapDM easily. First of all, you have to create your account in SnapDM and then here you will see a pop-up. It will show you connect your Instagram. Just click on the connect Instagram button and you will proceed to connect your Instagram. If you are not able to see this pop-up or not getting this pop-up, just go to more button. Here you will see settings and Instagram accounts and connect Instagram. Here you will have to log in your Instagram in the same browser. If you are using Google Chrome in the mobile, then you have to log in your Instagram in Google Chrome browser. I'll log in my Instagram here. Just click on login. Here you will see a pop-up which is saying to allow something. Just allow it and your Instagram account is connected. That's easy. Some of the user may face problem while connecting Instagram to the SnapDM. So make sure to log in your Instagram in the same browser, not in the Instagram app, but in the same browser. If you are iOS user or iPhone user, then maybe sometime it face problem in the Safari browser. So just try it in Google Chrome or any other browser with the same. SnapDM and Instagram should be logged in the same browser. And still if you are facing any issue, please let us know in the help section. Thank you.